Hello. Today we are going to see how to check the multiple reports in the user panel. Firstly, put your login credentials. Here the user panel will be opened. You can able to see there are multiple reports in this user panel. Today we are going to talk about some important reports that might be useful on your regular basis. Click on Reports. Go to Vehicle Consolidated. Here you will get the message as this report will take 5 to 10 seconds to load. Just click on OK to continue. Suppose I am selecting 22nd of September. You can also select the time here and just click on Submit. You can able to see for the vehicle number 0011 the report will be loaded. Here you can see the detailed report like the parked time, moving time, idle time of the vehicle. Like this you can able to see the detailed report of a particular vehicle. Please note, this page cannot load the report of all the vehicles which are available in the user panel, as all the vehicle consolidated report cannot be loaded in this page. Likewise, you can able to see in this dashboard of the vehicle consolidated report, you can find the last seen, last communication time. This is nothing but the device communication time with the server. If you want this report in Excel sheet, just click on last transmission report. You will be getting Excel sheet. In that all the details will be mentioned. By clicking on dashboard of the vehicle consolidated report, you can able to see the tentative data over here like total vehicles, online vehicles, moving vehicles, like that, and you can also able to see the last seen, last communication time, nearest location, etc. of the vehicles. If you want these details should be in Excel, just click on last transmission report. This report will be downloaded in the Excel form. If you want to see the location of any particular vehicle, select the date, select the time and click on Submit. The location will be loaded. So likewise you can able to see the location of the particular vehicle with the help of consolidated location and site report. If you want to see consolidated overspeed, just click on it, select the date and time, click on Submit. You will be getting the overspeed record from here. I hope the video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.